Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on a Xiaomi Redmi 10A. So first let's open up our Google Play Store. Here we want to find Google Classroom app. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open the app. Click on Get Started. Select the account you want to use for this Google Classroom. Click on the plus, join the class. Right here you need to enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.